I've been homebrewing since really the late 80s and loved it, passionate about it, but always felt a challenge on the equipment. And being a mechanical engineer, it's just kind of natural to try to design your own products, to come up with your own ideas. There were limitations to what a person can do in the house, and that's what really kind of drove the thought for Ss Brewtech, was trying to bring really professional grade equipment to the homebrew setting. After years of home brewing, that led me to a desire to want to open up a professional brewery. Working at Refuge really provided the opportunity to see what equipment innovations were necessary in a brewery that SS could take advantage of. And we've had the fortune of working with people like Mitch Steele or John Meyer or JC from Trillium. They've given us great ideas of their own brewing needs, and those combined with our brewing needs, we often prototype that and really figure out, does the innovation work in terms of the brewing process? Does it really add value? Because at the end of the day, engineering with purpose is where we really want to stand. One of the key features about the valve tree and having up on the brew stand is really to have it all be brewer-centric. Allow the brewer to stay on the stand throughout the brew day and pretty much run his entire process from the brew stand. All of the Ss Brewhouses are frame-mounted as opposed to freestanding vessels. We do that for a really explicit reason. We want to be able to have our piping systems fit, very intimately with the tanks so that you don't have risk of leaks or risk of cracks later on in the piping. The brewhouse arrives at the brewery fully assembled, so it's pretty simple to hook up the utilities, water, gas, power. It allows the brewer to get to brewing quickly so he can focus on the creative process. The components needed to be of the highest quality, so we use SEW Eurodrive gear motors, Midco Foley modulating burners, and full washdown all stainless steel pumps in our systems. Having those components allow for a highly durable, long-lasting brew house. One of the key components we have in our brew house is a rake for the mash tun. That allows you to ensure that your grain is well mixed and you don't have striations. What we've done is put grain out paddles on our rake, so if you run the rake in reverse, it pushes the majority of the grain out of the mash tun for you automatically. Really simplifies the brewer's day in terms of cleaning up after he's finished brewing. 100% of the brew house is built out of 304 stainless steel. All the welds are fully gassed to be sanitary. It'll stand up to all the caustic chemicals that you need during and after the brewing process and last you for years into the future. It's all about lessons that we've learned in our own experiences of what was missing for professional gear. We try to bring the best equipment with the most innovation that solves real problems for the brewer. Brewing beer is our passion, and engineering is in the DNA of everything we do.